This is the AI News Flash for April 26th, 2 p.m. UTC. First up, Marvell Technology stock surged 11.1% this week, putting the chipmaker back at center stage of the AI semiconductor rally. Reuters reported Google is in talks with Marvell for two new AI chips, a custom silicon for TPUs, and an efficient AI execution chip. The $2 billion strategic partnership signed with NVIDIA in March adds further tailwinds, covering custom ASICs, optical interconnects, silicon photonics, and NVLink fusion compatibility. Fiscal 2026 results were record-breaking. Revenue of $8.2 billion, up 42% year-over-year, with operating margin of 16.3% and gross margin of 51%. Forward PE sits at 42.9x, but the CEO projects accelerating year-over-year revenue growth each quarter through fiscal 2027. The May 28th Q1 earnings report will be a key test for the AI semiconductor investment thesis. Next, Arista Networks raised its 2026 AI-related revenue target to $3.25 billion, up significantly from the prior $2.75 billion. Surging demand for high-speed switching in AI data centers is driving the upgrade. The most recent close was $176.91, with a 30-day return of plus 46.49% and a one-year total shareholder return exceeding 127%. However, simply Wall Street's fair value estimate stands at $127.06, suggesting the stock is 39.2% overvalued, with a per-share gap of roughly $49.85. Risks cited include heightened competition in the high-speed switching market and possible overestimation of AI data center spending growth. AI networking stocks now sit at a crossroads where optimism and caution collide. Third up, the U.S. Air Force has officially deployed AFTA, the AI Flight Test Assistant, a cloud-based generative AI tool at the Air Force Test Center. Planning timelines have been compressed from days to minutes. A task that previously took over 20 hours now runs in under 2 hours, with human input time cut to under 5 minutes. Cost estimation workflows can be built in under 10 minutes and produce outputs in under 1 minute. Already, 800-plus users across the Department of the Air Force are on the platform, with 30-plus organizations developing custom workflows. AFTA was rated the most useful application at a recent AI Tech showcase. It auto-generates first drafts of test plans, hazard assessments, and technical reports, while engineers retain full review and validation responsibility. Major General Scott Kane stated that speed matters, underlining the acceleration of defense AI deployment. Finally, in the UK, a clash has emerged between the Department for Energy Security and Net Zero and the Climate Change Committee over AI data center power demand. According to The Guardian, the 140 proposed data centers would require a combined 50 gigawatts of power, exceeding the UK's current peak electricity demand by 5 gigawatts. The Energy Department says emissions are factored into its modeling and plans to publish the 7th carbon budget by June 2026. But the Climate Change Committee counters it has not received specific advice requests on data centers from the government. The latest carbon budget documents make no mention of data centers, while the IEA warns that AI data center electricity consumption will triple by 2030. The UK is now entering a phase of real concern over household electricity bills and the path to net zero targets. That's all for this AI News Flash.